Summer is coming and we want you to have a safe and colourful swimming season.
Update your pool surrounds and make them safer by using LUXAPOOL Poolside and Paving paint.
It's a P5 rated non-slip decorative coating and it's easy to use. It's a water-based textured finish and it comes in a range of popular colours.
It's suitable for many walk-on surfaces, pool surrounds, pebblecrete, concrete, stairs, walkways and much more.
As usual, the friendly Crocker team will help you take the correct steps in surface preparation so you can get a great result.
And if you'd like the job done for you, don't be hesitant. Just give us a call and we'll put you in touch with one of our professional tradies.
We specialise in adding value to people's homes. That's our purpose. And we help our DIY customers get the results they're after every single day. So come in and see us or give us a call. We're here 6 days a week. And have a safe, colourful summer.
At Crockers, consider the job already done.